Perfection. Now that I know where they are, I'm going to tell my boss and I'm going to get promoted. My throat. Oh God. Oh man. Oh boy. After I get promoted, I'm gonna go to the doctor. Oh God, my throat. Oh God, that laugh really wasn't good. I'm just gonna go find my boss now. Oh God. Also gonna ask where those pills are. Oh. Alright. Alright, I think I'm fine. Sir, I have something to tell you. There you are, you fool. I can't believe you let them escape. I was going to find you to tell you you were promoted by any chance? Promoted? Why would I promote you? I was gonna say I was gonna fire you because you let them escape and we are supposed to be a phantom prison, not a phantom let the prisoners escape. So why would I promote you? Why, sir, you would obviously promote me because I know where they are. Ha ha ha! Oh God, I should really stop laughing. By the way, you got any pills? You found them? Well, you know where they are. Well, why didn't you chase them while they were running away into their escape car? Why are you so slow? Oh, I should have sent the fast one, but you know where they are? Show me. I'm going to get the guards, and I swear, if you lead us to the wrong people, I am going to really fire you. And I'm going to even give you a little, maybe I'll put you in the prison. Yes, sir, of course. I do know where they are. Just, where are your pills? I really need pills right now. Oh, God. Pills later. I need to find these people right now. Now, show me to them. Guards, come here. That fool. I found them. By the way, the pills are in the drawer, or in the drawer, beside my bedroom. Alright, now show me, right now. Oh my gosh. Right, you're really slow. Fine, you can use the car. Alright, thank you. Why do I sound like you? Oh God, my voice. Thank you. Where are the pills? In the drawer? Alright, thanks, buddy. Where are they? I found them. Thanks, buddy. Alright, now, wait a second. I forgot. These pills are going to make me forget everything. Oh no. Where were they again? I think they ran. Oh yeah, they ran to that giant castle. Thank God they live in such a big castle. It's so easy to track them down. Alright. Where is that car? Meanwhile. Good morning. Good morning, Apple Lady. I see you have already been awake and you're already using my computer. Apple Lady, what are you searching up on there? It's literally just woke. Why didn't you wake me up? Why is it 3 o'clock in the afternoon? I'm assuming Doctor is also awake. So, okay, can you show me what you're looking at? Good morning, Coyote. I was actually looking at, the carnival and seeing if I could maybe buy tickets for the carnival. But, we couldn't because we were in jail because, because someone crashed an airplane. Jeez, I'm sorry. Wait, why did I not realize this? How did you even get on my computer? Where did you find my password? In the fridge, obviously, because isn't that where everyone puts their password? Wait a second, I just leaked where I put my password to my, you know what, never mind. And, by the way, why do you have your password so easy? It's literally 123, apples are amazing, 124. What kind of password is that, Coyote? Hey, don't read that out loud. You don't know if someone could be listening. Like, whatever. I'm gonna go see where Doctor is. Maybe she's not even awake yet. I might have to wake her up. It is 3 o'clock p.m. anyways. I'm really sorry that you couldn't go to the carnival. Oh well. Let's go see what Doctor's doing. Hey, Doctor, wake up. Wait a second. She isn't sleeping. Maybe she already woke up. Doctor, where are you? Upstairs, silly. I made breakfast. By the way, good morning. I woke up about 3 hours ago. And, why did you wake up at 3 in the afternoon? Wow, I can't believe Apple Lady didn't wake you up. Also, there was like a big storm last night. Can't believe you didn't hear that. But, good morning then? Good afternoon. Oh wow, you made breakfast? Thank you so much, Doctor. What did you make? Why don't you come upstairs and just find out for yourself? It's a surprise. Oh, really? A surprise? Sure. All right, coming right over. Thanks, then, Doctor. I don't know why you made us breakfast, 'cause we're the one that made us go to jail. But whatever. Thank you. Hey, I'm here and oh my God, Doctor, how did you know that I love acorn tea and acorns? How did you know I love acorns? Thank you so much, Doctor, but seriously, how did you know I really liked acorns? Like, we just met like yesterday. But thank you so much. I love acorns, like you don't even know. Oh, no problem. And I knew you loved acorns because you left a note under the desk saying, "Doctor, can you please make me acorns? I know you have a cooking show." And how did you know I had a cooking show? Oh, is it 'cause I showed you my social media and I showed you my YouTube that I had a cooking show because my doctor job can get really boring? But thank you so much for saying you love acorns and that you love my cooking because this took me a hot hour to create. I mean, I had to go pick acorns from trees. And and you should probably know how long that takes, because you have ate them before. Whew, anyway, good morning. Can you tell me why you woke up so late and why Apple Lady didn't, wake you up? Like, she is really loud. Yeah, she did seem pretty loud. Also, she seemed kind of mad at me for some reason. And, I don't know. She just seemed really mad because I crashed the airplane, and she looked like she wanted me to bring her to the carnival or something. I don't know, though. Hey, Coyote, can you... I can't believe it. Can you come up here real quick? I need to tell you something, even though it might not be the time, but, I just need to tell you this thing really quickly. And, it'll also have something to do with why I'm mad. Oh, sure. I just kind of want to know why you're so upset. Coming right up. Oh, wow, I sound like I'm gonna bake you something. Oh, well. That's what I usually say when I'm baking you a cake. So, what's up, Apple Lady? Haha, well, you see, soon you probably will be baking a cake because, I know it's not the right time, but, what? What is that? There's an egg in the refrigerator? It's my birthday today! Oh god, I know, it's really not the time. But I've always wished to go to the carnival on my birthday one day. And that day has never come. Did you know you could get it 10% off if it's your birthday at the carnival? Yeah, I'm pretty upset. I really wanted to go to the carnival this year, especially since of my birthday. I'm turning, let's see. I'm turning, I am turning 22 this year. I know. I feel pretty old. Hey, Coyote, didn't know you forgot my birthday. I told you last year, and yes, you forgot. Oh well, it's alright. Hey, aren't you like 20 or something? Do you know how old Doctor is? She must be way older than us, right? I don't even know. I'm gonna guess she's 30 or something. Anyway, yep, my 22nd birthday. I didn't get to go to the carnival. That makes me really upset. So, what type of cakes do you make? What? It's your birthday? Why didn't you tell me? Happy birthday, I guess. And, I make acorn cakes, and that's about it. So, I guess I'll make you a cake right away, because I feel really bad. I'm super sorry. I'm gonna make you a cake right now. I'm so sorry. And, happy birthday! Yay! Did she just say she thought I was 30? I am 24, thank you very much. I guess that solves your answer. Yup. And, wait, do you hear, knocking? Wait, I hear knocking on the door. I'm gonna go check that. Man, that knocking is really loud. What am I talking about, locking? Gosh, it's just getting louder. I'm coming. Jeez, why do they have to knock so loudly? Right, unlock the door. And hello. Whoa, who are you? You look kind of funny. Wow, that guard really was right. They are here. Wow, I really am gonna promote him. And by the way, there's no time to explain. Everyone from this house has to come outside immediately and come with us. You guys escaped from prison and we're bringing you back to prison. Now come on, let's go. Guards, put the bag over their heads. Yes, sir. Hut 2, 3, hut 2, 3. Come on, boys. We gotta go get these little boys. Alright. I got one in the bag. How about y'all? We got 'em all. Quickly, go, 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 before they escape the bags. These bags are really cheap. We got 'em from Dollarama, so we gotta go quickly, quickly. Run, 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 go, go, go. Evacuate, evacuate. I just want to sound cool. I still got a sickness. Alright guys, come on, go, go, go.